In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Evernote desktop notebooks and files into Notion. By the end, you'll have your Evernote notes living comfortably inside Notion, ready to search, organize, and share. First, open Evernote on your desktop so you can quickly confirm which notebooks and files you plan to bring over. Take a moment to check titles and attachments so you know exactly what you're importing. If you've already exported an ENEX file from Evernote, keep it handy. That's the format Notion reads best. Now switch to Notion. Look to the bottom left corner of the app and click your profile icon. This opens the workspace controls and settings. From here, go into Settings. Inside this menu, find and select Import. This is where Notion gathers all the tools for bringing content in from other apps, including Evernote. You'll see the Evernote option inside the Import view. This importer is designed to translate Evernote content into Notion pages, preserving as much structure as possible. Notebooks become pages or page groups, notes become individual pages, and common elements like images, PDFs, and checklists typically carry over. Keep in mind that very specialized formatting or rare note types might look a little different in Notion, but the core content should come through cleanly. When prompted, choose your file and click Open. Point Notion to your Evernote ENEX export if you have one, or the file you prepared for import. Notion will begin processing right away. For large notebooks, this can take a while. Let it run without closing the app. You can continue working in another page while the import completes. Once the import finishes, review the newly created pages. Spot check a few notes with images and attachments to make sure everything looks right. If needed, rename top-level pages to match your preferred structure and move them into the right folders or databases. Finally, take a quick pass through your tags or keywords. Consolidating duplicates now will make searching in Notion much easier later. That's it. You've successfully brought your Evernote desktop notebooks and files into Notion.